Today, I'm going to show you how to build a passive income stream using AI and the Word. And I know that sounds like a big claim. So before I say anything else, let me just show you something first.
Right? And that's the part that people miss when this becomes just a political headline. It's like, oh, Iran, oil, sanctions, economy. But behind all of that, there are real people. There's a church, a very alive, very underground church. So here's where I want to push back a little, because I know some people listening are going to hear U.S. sanctions on Iran and think, okay, this is good. America's doing God's work. They're freeing the Iranian people. And then there's another group of people who are like, this is just economics. This is oil. This is chess moves between superpowers. Nobody actually cares about Iranians.
Yeah, and honestly, I think both of those takes are incomplete. Because here's the thing, and this is where it gets biblically interesting to me.
No camera, no studio. They aren't even real presenters. What you just saw was built entirely using AI, animated characters, fully lip-synced, delivering content that looks and feels completely real in a studio that doesn't physically exist, using a tool called Design AI. And that video, it's making money every single month on autopilot. As a Christian, it's high time we stopped leaving money on the table and started using them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own AI host channel like this, even if you've never used AI tools before. I'll guide you through the process step by step, showing the tools and prompts I use to make it work. And later, I'll reveal the one prompt that makes AI hosts converse most naturally. And stay with me, because the income side of this is where it gets really interesting. There are 5 completely different ways this platform makes money, and most people only ever think of one. I'm going to break all 5 down for you in just a moment. Now, before I touch a single tool, I want to speak to something first, because I know some of you watching right now might be wondering, is this okay? Should a Christian be building something like this with AI? And I want to answer that honestly. God is not threatened by innovation. He is the author of creativity itself. Every tool, every technology, it flows from the mind He gave us. Right now, knowing how to use these tools is one of the most valuable skills available to a creator. That is ministry and income. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with both. Now let's build it. The content of this channel is built around 4 simple pillars, because these are the questions believers are asking every day. The first pillar is faith and finances. Topics like stewardship, breaking cycles of debt, saving wisely, giving generously, and understanding what Scripture says about money. This is one of the most searched topics in the Christian space. The second pillar is daily devotionals and Scripture, short, thoughtful conversations centered around a verse or passage. Then the third pillar is Christian living and relationships. This is all about real questions believers face every day. Dating, marriage, parenting, friendships, and workplace challenges. How do you live out your faith in a complicated world? These are the kinds of conversations that resonate deeply with an audience. And the fourth pillar is Bible commentary and current events. Bringing those conversations back to Scripture creates thoughtful, evergreen content people are actively searching for. The first tool is Design AI. And honestly, for most of what we're doing today, this one tool alone could handle the heavy lifting. Design AI is an all-in-one creative platform. You create your hosts here, their appearance, their characters, everything about how they look. You generate your studio backgrounds here. And if you need a voiceover, you can generate that right inside the platform too. No need to go anywhere else. But if you already have your own audio, maybe you recorded your own voice or used another tool, you can simply upload it directly. Design AI works either way. And then there's the feature that ties everything together, the multi-character lip sync. This is where you take your hosts and your audio and watch them come to life. Their mouths move in perfect sync with every word. And it's not limited to just 2 characters either. You can have 3, 4, or even more characters in the same scene, all lip synced simultaneously. And that's just one of the many AI features Design AI has to offer. When you get in there, take some time to explore the tools section. There's a lot more the platform can do for your content creation that you'll want to discover for yourself. Just use the link in the description. The second tool is Claude AI. This is your scriptwriter. And this is where that prompt I've been teasing comes in. Because the way Claude writes these 2 host conversations is what makes the hosts feel like real people. Claude is at claude.ai and it's free to start. Then the third tool is a simple video editor. CapCut, Filmora, whichever you're comfortable with. You use it to add your intro, your outro, captions, background music, and package everything into a finished episode. Basic editing skills are completely good to go. You do not need to be an expert. So first thing first, we need to generate our AI host's image. Once you're on the Design AI platform, all you need to do is click over here where it says text to image. Then you can input your prompt here. All right, I already got my prompt from Claude AI. Next, you want to come down here and choose any aspect ratio you prefer. After that, click generate and work with the images you like. You can keep regenerating until you get the one you prefer. I'm going with this image. Now that we have our image, the next step is to go over to the lip sync movement feature. Upload your image. As you can see, the faces are automatically detected. Simply click on a face to select it. It will turn yellow to show that it's been selected. Once you've done that, click next and you'll be taken to the next interface. From there, use this button to continue. So you've got two choices here, okay? You can either upload an audio file that you recorded somewhere. Remember, we have two characters here. So if you already have audio recorded for both the male and the female, all you need to do is click this button and upload it here. But if you don't have the audio yet, all you have to do is click this box and paste in your script. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get a script shortly. Paste in your script and choose a voice, okay? You'll need to choose which pillar you want to focus on. For this example, I might go with relationships or commentary about what's currently happening. So now let's go over to Claude AI, and we're going to use this prompt to generate a conversational script. There's nothing particularly special about these prompts. I actually came up with them myself. Just paste in the prompt, and it will generate a full conversational script for you automatically. And here's the generated script. As you can see, the male character is named Jake and the female character is Priya. You can copy the script into Google Docs or any document editor. This makes it easier to keep everything organized. We'll start with the male character. I'll copy Jake's line, then head back to Zine and paste it directly into this box. And click on Generate Audio. If you are satisfied with the output, then you can use the Apply button. Next, go ahead and copy the lines for the female character and paste them into this box as well. So I will keep doing this until I finish the entire script, okay? I'll run through it off camera. And there you go. Once you're done, all you have to do is click Generate and wait for your video to be ready. So it's as simple as ABC. You don't need to animate anything yourself, and you don't need to instruct the AI on how to animate the characters. The AI takes full control of the motion. And here is something interesting. Right now, there are faceless creators quietly building large audiences in the Christian space using AI-generated hosts. And most viewers don't even realize the hosts they're watching aren't real people. Because at the end of the day, people aren't subscribing for the face, they're subscribing for the message. Which means if you have something meaningful to say, the technology can now help you say it consistently. Now let's talk about the income side. The first stream is YouTube AdSense, and I want to be straightforward with you. This is not a get-rich-quick setup. This is a real content business that rewards consistency. But what makes it genuinely exciting is how many different ways it generates money at the same time. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That means ads can begin appearing on your videos, and you earn a share of the advertising revenue, especially in niches like faith, personal growth, and finance, where advertisers are often willing to pay more to reach engaged audiences. The second stream is digital products. Once your platform begins building an audience, you can create simple resources that serve the people who are already listening to your content. Things like devotionals, merch, prayer journals, Bible study guides, children's Bible stories, or even Christian coloring books. These kinds of resources are incredibly popular in the Christian space because people aren't just looking for content to watch, they're looking for tools that help them grow spiritually. You can publish these products through platforms like Amazon KDP, sell them directly through your own website, or offer them through simple online stores. And because your audience already knows the voice and message of your platform, these resources become a natural extension of what you're already teaching and sharing. Now, here's what you want to do. Create a YouTube channel with a decent brand name. Use Canva to design a logo and banner. You can even use Design AI to generate your artwork. Then write a compelling channel description that tells potential subscribers exactly what the channel is all about. This niche thrives on trends, so stay updated and use titles that are both searchable and attention-grabbing. Importantly, repurpose the video, make them short clips for Instagram Reels and TikTok. And that's it. So I will leave both links in the description box. Try explore them, okay? And if this video blessed you, please hit the like button. It helps this channel reach more people who need to see this. I will see you in the next one.